Does Medicare cover dental implants? Dental implants are a popular choice for replacing missing teeth and have been around since the 1970s. Approximately 13% of people who receive dental implants are between the age of 65 to 74. Original Medicare, Part A and Part B, does not cover the cost of dental implants or any other dental procedures. However, some Medicare Advantage plans offer additional coverage for dental implants. These plans are provided by private insurance companies and are approved by Medicare. Additionally, Medicare Part D will help cover the cost of medications prescribed because of the dental implant procedure. It is important to speak with your dentist and insurance provider to find out what options are available to you. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.